In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use WPS Office in 2024. Now, someone dropped a comment, that I should actually make this video. That is why I'm making it, So firstly, you can download WPS Office. This is the updated version. You can download it on Play Store for free. Now the WPS Office, of course, is available for free, but there is a premium plan. You can decide to upgrade to the pro plan if you want, and it's not bad at all because it comes with a lot of cool features. So this is it. You can join WPS Pro. If you are in Nigeria and you are in Nigeria, you can see how much you have to pay yearly and monthly. But let me not go too deep in this because I was not paid for a promotion and all that. I'm just showing you, So one cool thing about using the WPS Office is that it's very, very difficult for you to lose your documents, and I'll explain why. If you are using this application for the first time, you would have to sign up with your Gmail. It's like you creating an account. I actually have an account. This is my Gmail. I have an account. So even if I misplace my phone, if I misplace my laptop, I can just log into another device and I'll recover all my documents. So that's the cool thing about using WPS Office. So right now, the purpose of this tutorial is to show you the basic things you can do with this application, even without using the premium plan. So if you click on the plus sign here, you see different options. So this first one is document, which means maybe you want to write something on your phone, just a normal document. PPT is PowerPoint, presentation. You want to make a PowerPoint presentation. This one, XLS, is Excel. You create an Excel. This one is PDF. You want to create a PDF creator, blah blah blah. Resume, TXT, document, scanner. It has a lot, but the main thing I want to show you here is how to use the doc and how to use the PowerPoint presentation. So if you click on documents, this first one, then you click on the plus sign, this blank, you'll be shown a blank page where you can start writing your document. Now, I actually have a laptop, but I use my phone to do a lot of writing, to write a lot of articles, because especially when I'm not with my laptop, and maybe if there is no light, my laptop is down and my phone is charged, I can actually use my phone to write a lot of documents, a lot of articles, blog posts and all that stuff. So that is what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So let's assume now I want to write a blog post. The first thing I want to start with is like my title, before I go to introduction and blah blah blah. So if you want to start my title, let me say how to write a blog post. I'm just going to highlight this, and then I'll click on this to justify to the center. Click on this, justify to the center, and then I'll click on this icon right here where I have all the tools. Once I click on that, I'll be showing all these tools that I can use to actually format my document properly. So right now I can increase the size of my font to 14, and then I can make it bold. You understand? Then I can change the color if I want. These are the colors, as you can see. But I don't need to do all that. So I have my title right there. Then to make sure that your work is well organized as you write, click on this to put it in mobile view. Yes. Then let's say we start writing right now. Let's look for a document that we can copy. Let's look for a document. Let's look for a document that we can copy. So let me look for one of the articles I've written. Okay, I haven't written this one. Match. Yeah, let me look for topic. So this is an article I wrote. As you can see, this is a 2,000 word article. You can see a long form content that I wrote using WPS Office. So you can see I have my title here that I created, and then after that I started writing, as you can see, and then I have my heading right here, and I have my subheading. You can see all that I created with WPS Office. So the thing you need to keep in mind is that when you click on this button right here, you will have access to all the tools you need for your formatting to format your content. So this is your font size. This is what you use to bolding to make your text bold or not. This is what you use to make your text slant. If you want that, this is to underline your text. Let me actually do this so you can see it. So if I like this and then I click on this, I can make my text bold. I can make it slant if I want to. I can underline it if I want to. This is to reverse the action. Then if you scroll, you can see bullet points. So this right here, you can see number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. These are bullet points that I created, and this is what I used to create my bullet points. Now let me open another document so you understand what I'm saying. So if I click on this, April topic 1, you can see these are bullet points that I created. So to create a bullet point, all you have to do is list all the items. So let me say item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. Then you highlight everything, and then you click on this and you scroll down, and then you can select the bullet points you want to use. So you can see if you want to use numbers, you can see you have numbers. If you want to use just the points, you can use these ones. You understand? Then you also have tools to help you change, to increase or decrease your line spacing, when you are writing. So for instance, if you look at this particular document that I created here, I have a decent amount of line spacing. And to do that, all you have to do is scroll to where you have this particular section, and if you click on it, you see where you can choose the line spacing. So you can see it's getting bigger, but I usually use 1.5. It's perfect for me. If you want, you can decide to use 1.75, but basically line spacing is to make sure that your work is neat and decent. That is why I use line spacing. It just makes your work look very neat, and decent, and then this is for justifying your text. So if I click on this, it's justified to the left. If I click on this, it's justified to the center, to the right, just like that. So when you're writing, basically your stuff is, if you're writing an article, your content have to be justified to the left. Then also you can use WPS for some cool stuff. Maybe you want to insert a picture. You can do that with WPS Office. All you need to do is come to insert this session, click on picture, and then you can insert any picture you want from your gallery. If you want to insert shapes, the same thing, you can do that. You can insert shape if you want. If you want to insert tables, let's say you want to make a table. Let me give you an example. Let me make this practical. Let me do this. So I'll go to insert right now. I'll click on tables. No, that I'll click on okay, let me look for it. Yeah, table. And then I'll select the number of rows, the number of columns. You understand? So let me say I just want 3 rows and 3 columns. And then I'll click OK. And then you can see I have my table right here. And then in each cell, I can type the information I want in each cell. That's the cool stuff. Then also, one thing I want to show you before the end of this video is interlinking. So if you look at this particular text, this post, it has a link attached to it, so you can see sometimes when you're writing an article, your client might ask you to interlink, which means to paste a link in the content. So to do that, it's simple. All you need to do is highlight the content you want to interlink. So let's say I want to use credit card. I'll highlight it, then I'll click on this. I'll go to where I have insert. I'll scroll down to where I have hyperlink. Then I'll copy and paste my link. So let me paste something here. Okay, I didn't copy anything, but let's just assume I have copied something. I will just paste it right here. Paste it right here. Then I'll click OK, and you notice that the link has been inserted. So if someone clicks on this, it will redirect them to the particular website where that is attached to that link. You understand me? So let's assume that you're done creating your document and you want to save. It's easy, it is simple. All you have to do is click on file, then click save as, and then save it to location, documents, and then just choose the name for your document. So I saved this one as March topic 9 because it's the 9th topic in the month of March, and then just click save, and it will be saved to your WPS Office, and then you can always come back to it. If you need to make any correction, you can always come back to your saved document to correct 1 or 2 things. Anyway, that's it for this video. I couldn't cover all the things I'm supposed to talk about, but I believe I was able to show you the basics. If you have any questions, use the comments. If there is anything you don't understand, use the comments. If you think this video is crap, you don't understand shit, just use the comments, talk to me. I look forward to hearing from you. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.